Hey guys, welcome to Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex without any experience with the help of expert advisors and robots? Yes, guys, without any experience. But yes, experience always matters. Without any knowledge, you can trade forex with the help of right expert advisor or the right robot with the instructions that you need to follow, right? But the information, the knowledge always helps. Why the market is moving in this direction, why the EA expert advisor is taking a buy, why it is taking a sell, only if you are using the right strategy or the right EA. I'm talking in that sense, okay? Because sometimes it happens people are unaware about like whatever that is moving in the market, whatever the market is up to. Say interest rate decision of Euro or maybe USA or maybe any other European country or maybe Australia. These impact the trading at that time if you are trading on that particular currency pair, either on the first side or the second side, whatever. Okay, either if you're buy or sell. So those kind of things that impact that particular currency pair that you are trading on. So why the currency pair is moving up, down, what kind of news are there, and what kind of economy that particular country, whether they're improving, they are depreciating, they are going down, they are going up. All these impact the trading pairs. Okay, because the currency pair reflects the economy, the strength of economy of particular country. Their workforce is increasing, their employment is increasing, it is positive. If not, then it is negative. I mean, a lot of things that impact these are related with very high certain high impact news. Sometimes employment is very important, and say NFP, that is non-farm payrolls, right? And interest rate decisions, these are very high impact news. And if you're trading on those pairs that are going to be impacted just because of those decisions or the news, then you need to understand that because of these kind of fluctuations are there in the market. So adding knowledge, adding information is very much important, and it is a plus. Definitely it is a plus. Okay, it is not something that you require to trade through any EA, but yes, knowledge always helps. So today video is all about the copy trading that we are about to start or just started. We have already made a video last week where I mentioned like when are we going to start. So I mentioned that we will be starting it on from I think like from 22nd of Feb, but somehow I would say that since I was already trading on my account from which I would like to provide the copy trades from. So some of the people asked me, and somehow I added them, and they have already started. So guys, in case if you want to start, then you can start it earlier. And the people like who would like to trade on themselves with higher profit expectations, they can choose any EA that I have uploaded there, or you can or they can choose any EA any from anywhere, and then they can trade on themselves with whatever suggestions that has been added. But this video is all about those people who don't even want to purchase or who don't want to install any EA, and they still want to get benefited from the forex market movements. And this is only for the conservative traders, people like who don't want to take higher risk, who would like to take lower risk. They are good and happy with lower profits, but should be safer returns. I would not say safe, because safe word doesn't exist in forex market. I would say low risk. I would not say no risk. Okay, lower risk or safer returns. And I have already discussed this, but just want to reiterate this once again, that we will be using scalp strategy. Okay, when a particular currency pair price went or go into that particular buys or sell zone, then only we will trade. Otherwise we will not open any trade. Okay, and I would say lower risk, low floating or lower drawdown, just because we will not be using any martingale, we will not be using any grid, we will not be using any hedging, since our motto is conservative trading. Okay, because without the use of martingale, grid or hedging, I don't think like any EA would be highly profitable I mean, for more than like 15% or 10 to 15%, for more than that, any EA will be using the either of these, or maybe combination of these, or maybe all of these. Okay, but here we will not be using any of these, since we will be trading on scalping, and only when the particular price goes into buy or particular sell range. And the profitability that you can expect is between 8 to 14 to 15%, but that depends on the market situation, right? With a low risk and conservative approach, we will be using 4 pairs here. And generally I used to suggest 1000 US dollars per pair to trade when you're doing with any EA, but since this is copy trading, and I will manage the risk, and we will be using $300 per pair, and we will be using 4 pairs, so it will be starting with 1200 US dollars. Okay, and I have already told like who is this for, and what you need to join. You need a very good broker with tight spread account, or either zero spread account, or either ECN account, but ECN in real sense. It's not something that just the name is ECN, but it's not ECN. Okay, just because to lack to I mean, so that your account should not be affected because of higher spreads, since we'll be using scalping. So the right account is very important. Otherwise, trades on which I am taking my trades on a particular price, and your broker is not offering that kind of price, then in that case that particular trade will not be copied in your account. Okay, so use the right broker with the right account, and a VPS is required, which is a medium to connect your account to my account, since I'm not asking for your password. Okay, and either you can use a demo account or a real account with approximately $1200. It could be 1100 also, it could be 1300 also, but I require 1200, 300 per pair, and we're using 4 pairs, so it is 1200, and I cannot make it separate for each and every one. This is same for all at this moment, and the leverage that you can use is 400, 500, or 600, anything in between. And these are all the information that are required, that I want you to share in case if you're interested to process forward. And these details are also mentioned in my Telegram channel for copy trading, and the link is there in the description. Okay, and what is the process? Once you provide me all these details, you will provide me your account number. I don't require your password. I just require your MT4 trading account number, whether it is demo or real. You need to provide me that information as well, and accordingly I will add it in my account from which the trades will be copied. And let me show you like I will be providing the trades from this particular account. This is already on, and I have already added like few people also, those who wanted to go inside a little early. So by this week itself I have already like added like four real, and I think 5 demo. Okay, so almost like 10 accounts. So this is the account, and let's go from here. Let me just share you that there is no martingale, no hash, no grid, and from this account, and then I have deposited another 550, I think. Okay, so I have started with like almost like 550, since my funds were stuck somewhere. So later on I added another 550, so it is almost like 1100 something that I started with, and I suggested you the same 1200. It could be 1100 too also, it is okay. Okay, and it could be 1300, so no problem, but suggested capital is 1200, 300 per pair, that is 1200. So we already made a profit of $60 in 2 weeks. Okay, so this is conservative. Don't think like this is very low or something, and this is something very good on a conservative set of mind. Okay, we already made this one, and there is no trade open currently. We already closed all the trade, and let's go to the process. Once you will be having your account number. Once I have added your account number, I will add it in your in my provider list, and from the trades, from where the trades will be copied. And what you will do, that you will download the .ex4 or .exy file. .ex4 is for MT4, .ex5 is for MT5. I have uploaded both the files in the channel, so you can download it from there, and then you can copy that particular file .ex4, then go to file, go to open data folder, okay, then go to MQL4, then you can go to experts, and then just paste it over here. This is the file that you will be pasting here. If you are using MT5, then you will paste the .exy file, trade receiver.ex5. okay, this is almost the same process everywhere. Just do that, and once you refresh here, you will see the trade receiver is there. Okay, so first of all, before dragging it over here, you have to do two things. Go to tools, go to options, and then go to expert advisors, then click allow automated trading, allow DLL imports, and allow web request. And here you need to copy these two links. Okay, one is this one and one is this one. Just copy the two links over here. Okay, and then click on OK. Once you are done, then you need to make one more important thing, change over here. You will see this screen. You need to make the max slippage to 5 points and order copy within 500. It is all in seconds, so you just need to input 500, and in the slippage you need to mention 5. It could be lower, you can put 4 also, but 5 should be okay, so that in case if a broker is not user friendly and their slippage is high, then that particular trade will not be copied, otherwise your trades will be impacted. Okay, so that is why I said that the real sense ECN, or the real sense good low spread broker is required. Okay, and no need to choose, and no need to change any other thing. It will be remote, it will be trade 5 and 500 is something that you have to change. Okay, and once it is done, what you will do, that I will provide you a provider number. You will go over here, you will just input that particular number over here, and you can put any description just for your reference in case if you want, otherwise leave it blank. Just put your account number, what is being provided, just put it over here and click on OK. Okay, so once this all done, here you are seeing that this I mean, since your account is not connected yet, so it is showing cross. Okay, once you provide the provider number over here, after I added you, and once you provide your provider number over here, it will be almost be done, and then you need to click on enable. This is disabled right now. You need to click over here and it will be enabled. Then this cross thing will disappear, and your computer, this icon will start blinking. It means that your computer is connected with my system, from where the trades will be copied once any fresh trades start. Okay, so as of now, since like the market is almost closed and there is no trade running on, so hence there is no trade over here, and this will be blinking once your system gets connected with mine. This can only be done once I first add your account number in my provider account, and then later this is the process that you need to follow. But the first thing is you need to provide my account number, your account number, and once I add that account number in mine, then only this process needs to be followed. Okay, and I have mentioned all these process in the channel link also, in my channel also, so you can go through these if you have any confusion. Okay, so we have already started the trades, guys. In case if you are a conservative trader who don't want to take much risk and okay with safer returns, maybe the profit is low, but if you are okay with that, then please try this, because I would not be able to provide free trial again. This is a limited time trial. Okay, and I have already provided this one. Okay, and the people like who want higher returns, they are not okay with 8%, 10%, 12%, or 13%, they can go ahead with any EA purchase and they can trade on their own. This is only for those people who don't even want to purchase any EA, who don't even want to do any kind of setting, okay, but still they want to get benefited, whether the profit is low but should be safer and with a lower risk. This particular copy trading is only for those kind of people, okay. Other people can get the bot and they can trade on their own, okay. My account is already ready, as I have just shown you, and I have already added few people, around 9 to 10 people already this week. And just because since my account was already ready, so like even I was also ready to add them, and their trading has already been started. So whatever profit you earn during this free trial, that will be yours in case if you're doing it on real account. And if you don't want to trade on real account, you are open to do it on your demo account, but the account should be good, okay. Account should be good. That means low spread and zero slippage, okay. And then you can see over a period of 1 month that whether this kind of trading matches your needs and expectations or not, okay. Once you decide, please share me the details so that I can add your account, and we can start trading from Monday onwards. This free trial will last till 26th of March. I think 26th is I think that is Friday, or even Saturday, like whatever. That is the last week. So like I will end that free trial then, and I will not be able to provide free trial again. So if you know people who are looking for something without investing in EA or without risking any kind of capital, if you know someone like who is a conservative bent of mind, who are okay with lower profits but want lower risk thing, right? So please share these details to them, because I would not be able to offer free trial again, as I would be seriously trading, and I was seriously trading as well. And last year I introduced the copy trading, but I took like 4 kind of strategies, and it was very difficult for me to manage, because I need to intervene manually also sometimes, a lot size, lot exponent, and some other settings also. And I was not getting proper sleep as well. So like I decided not to go for the copy trading later, and I returned all the accounts of the people who were copying my trades. I returned their accounts in October, and some that were remained in November last year. So I decided not to go for that. But since like some of the people I came across, like who were still asking for account management, and the people like who don't want to take risk, they don't want to trade with any EA without any kind of risk, and they don't want to go for settings or like any other thing, okay. They don't even want to see their account, and don't want to intervene anything. So this is for those people who are okay with lower returns but should be safer returns and with a lower risk. And after 26th of March, we will be only trading, no free trial later on, and we will be trading and just trading. So guys, if you are interested, please go ahead and share me the details, and I will add during weekend. Saturday has this is a weekend that has started, and so I will add all those details, and the fresh trades will start copying from your from my account to your account from Monday onwards, okay. So guys, take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family, and look forward to talk to you soon. Bye.